This is a lizard that dives underwater and eats algae. The marine iguana is found only in the Galápagos. It's the world's only seagoing lizard, evolved to dive up to 30 feet underwater to feed on algae. It uses its tail like a fin and can hold its breath for nearly an hour. To survive the cold water, it slows its heart rate, and when it returns to land, it sneezes out salt through special nose glands. Millions of years ago, its ancestors were land iguanas. Now it's become one of evolution's boldest experiments. The Galapagos didn't just inspire Darwin. Evolution captivates us all. Stay curious, stay current.